fake, right?
It has to be.
It's fake.
What do you think? How he did?
Maybe it's string. Oh.
I'll do it again. Yeah, I saw it.
This is the Bangla Road. Every corner of the Bangla road is. There's a lot of fun activities, guys. Every visitors have fun activities. There are a lot of opportunities that you have. Fun activities that you can be entertaining. This is called the Crazy Bangla Road. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another bustling night here from Mathon Beach, Phuket. Here I'm guys, this famous Bangla Road. This is insane crazy guys. Everywhere, wherever you go, it's nightclubs, bars and restaurants. It's the famous music around here guys. It's alive when it comes to dark. This is incredible, amazing Phuket Bangla Road. So everywhere you can see guys, this is insane. What's going on here? There is almost every corner of this road is entertainment activities around and bustling. Look at this road is now it's blocked. It's because now this entertainment activities continue. is amazing. It's unique. It's known for its vibrant nightlife and vibrant music entertainment activities around the corner of this Bangla Road. Every corner you will see the entertainment activities, and every visitors are attracted by this street. This is crazy, and there are a lot of bars, restaurants around the corner of this bustling street, and every bar, every nightclub is attractive. It's literally fun. So, yep, I'm here in the heart of Bangla Road, Phuket. So this is insane, guys. Every corner is bustling, and people are around, really entertaining by themselves, by their engagements, by their fun activities. Look at, guys. This is the Sugar nightclub. Famous nightclub, Sugar. Yo, 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 yo. Look at every corner. You will see a lot of guys. Men, women are taking the cars and showing the ping pong shows, and a lot of offers taking them. So indoor activities are literally kind of nudity, and it's so yeah, this is why it's famous for Bangla Road, guys, and this attract the tourists. Whoever come here, yes, enjoyment. Okay, let's go to the Illusion nightclub, which is most famous nightclub in Bangla Road. Let's go, here we go. It's crowded and lines. Foreigners love this club. It's because DJs are foreigners. All around the DJs come here to having fun music, and DJs are incredible, guys, literally incredible. So let's go jump into the Illusion nightclub. Check it out, what's going on here. But outside is literally bustling. Everyone is waiting for this to get into the club. don't think so it's real magic, but people are literally, surprised. Is it a real magic or fake magic?
Obviously fake.
It's fake, right?
It has to be.
It's fake.
What do you think? How he did?
Maybe it's string. Oh.
I'll do it again. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, it's a lie.
What's going here, guys? Is it like real magic? Oh yeah, of course. No magic is real. No, 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 no. It's the camera. It's done, finish, you're gone. It's gone. This is the Bangla Road. Every corner of the Bangla road is. There's a lot of fun activities, guys. Every visitors have fun activities. There are a lot of opportunities that you have. Fun activities that you can be entertaining. This is called the Crazy Bangla Road. No, I don't believe it. He's doing magic. It's just waste of time. It's waste of time and yeah. This is insane. Okay, let's go. Let's go to look around. It's time to look around, guys. What is the white room? I don't know yet. White room is crazy room. Kim Pong showroom. Crazy lady boys doing dirty dance. Crazy lady boy is doing a dirty dance. today? Not today. Nothing is there. Just same normal. But illusion. Yeah. It's only not Bangla Road, guys. Around the Pathong beach is unseen scenes around here. This time is it's almost midnight, but tourists are walking around every time, 24 hours, guys. It's because this is the tourist hub. Pathong Beach, Bangla Road, and Phuket. This is insane location, guys. Phuket's downstairs. There are the street market or something, and this is insane, guys.